A bad attitude is like a flat tire. If you don't change it, you'll never go anywhere. A beautiful life begins with a beautiful mind. Age is no barrier. It's a limitation you put on your mind. Always hold your head up. Always wear your invisible crown. And so she decided to start living the life she imagined. A person who falls and gets back up is much stronger than a person who never fell. A person with bad attitude will never move forward. A positive attitude will lead to positive outcomes. A positive attitude changes everything. Attitude is my jewel. Beautiful minds inspire others. Beautiful things happen when you distance yourself from negativity. Be a warrior, not a warrior. Change one day into today. Coffee in one hand, confidence in other. Dare to be different. Don't be busy, be productive. Don't confuse my personality with my attitude. My personality is who I am. My attitude depends on who you are. Don't stop until you're proud. Don't think about what might go wrong. Think about what could go right. Down to earth, but still above you. Dream big and dare to fail. For success, attitude is equally as important as ability. Either you control your attitude or it controls you. Good talent with bad attitude equals bad talent. Great minds discuss ideas, small minds discuss people. Don't copy, pick your own style. Be like a postage stamp, stick to a thing till you get there. Hey, I found your nose. It was in my business again. How high you go, stay low. Have a vision, do whatever it takes. I am a good person with bad attitude. Being single is my attitude. I am a hot dude with a cool attitude. Attitude is everything, so pick a good one. I'm back with my same attitude. I don't have an attitude, I've got personality you can't handle. I don't have a bad attitude, I just have a good appetite. I don't have multiple personalities, but I have different attitudes. And my attitude towards you depends on you. If you don't control your attitude, then it will control you. If you don't like my attitude, quit talking to me. I hate when people tell me I have changed when they never even knew me at all. I know I'm always special. I'm an odd combination of really sweet and don't mess with me. I'm not old, I'm youthfully challenged. I never lose, either I win or I learn. It always seems impossible until it's done. It's all in the attitude. It's cool being me. I was born in attitude. I was born intelligent, but education ruined me. Lay a firm foundation with the bricks that others throw at you. Life is all about possibilities, not limitations. Life is all about possibilities with a positive attitude. Lift up your head, princess, if not the crown falls. Live, don't just exist. Live your life and forget your age. Make them stop and stare. Me and my attitude. My attitude depends on people in front of me. My life, my rules, my attitude. My silence is my attitude. My style is what I like, not what others like. Never bend your head. Hold it high. Look the world straight in the eye. Never look down on nobody unless you're helping him up. Not to self, I'm going to make you so proud. Nothing will bring you greater peace than minding your own business. Please ignore me. I don't care. I am invisible. Positive anything is better than a negative nothing. Power of positive attitude. Put your positive paints on. She who dares win. Successful people never worry about what others are doing. Success is the byproduct of your attitude. Only great minds can afford a simple style. The best is yet to come. The greatest player in life is doing what people say you cannot do. The only difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. The only disability in life is a bad attitude. These times are so hard and they're getting even harder. The winning attitude. Never underestimate me because I'm more than you think. They told me I couldn't, that's why I did. Think like a proton, always positive. Train your brain to see great in everything. Treat me good and I will treat you better. Walk like a king or walk like you don't care who the king is. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. Things won't get better unless you think better. What others think of me is none of my business. When I was born, devil said, "Oh shit, competition." When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. When life throws a rock at you, throw back a brick. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. You have to be odd to be number one. You can have results or excuses, not both. Your attitude determines your direction. What others think of me is none of my business. Warning: bad attitude. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.